Hello, little explorers. Today we're going on a magical nature walk. Are you ready to discover the wonders of the great outdoors? Look at these beautiful flowers. Do you see their bright colors? Flowers come in all shapes and sizes, and they help make our world so colorful and happy. Wow, look at those tall trees. Trees give us fresh air to breathe and homes for many animals. Can you spot the different shapes of the leaves? Each tree has its own special kind of leaf. Oh look, there's a squirrel. Squirrels are very busy animals. They love to collect nuts and seeds. Can you see how fast they move? They can jump from tree to tree with ease. Isn't that butterfly beautiful? Butterflies start as caterpillars and then transform into these amazing creatures. They love to sip nectar from flowers. Can you count how many colors are on its wings? Look down here, it's a trail of ants. Ants are very strong and work together as a team. They carry food back to their nest to share with their friends. What hard-working little insects. Listen, do you hear the birds singing? Birds have many different songs. They're saying hello to each other and telling stories about their day. Nature is full of amazing things to see and hear. Next time you go outside, take a moment to look around and explore. Who knows what incredible plants, animals, and insects you might find? Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Looking for more fun and educational activities for your little ones? Click the link below to visit a website with exciting, engaging items perfect for young children.